makeup look right quick because I got a budget meeting in literally 15 minutes. Exactly 15 minutes. So I'm gonna start out with the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer, just because it's really hot today. And if I do get out today, I don't want my skin to be super dewy and looking all oily and like I'm sweating everywhere. So we're gonna start there. I'm gonna do my steps a little backwards today. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my foundation first. And I'm gonna just grab my Este Lauder in 6W1. Oh, my foundation brush. I could have sworn I cleaned it. There it is. Lord, I hate her. Okay. So I'm gonna start with that. And I'm gonna just use my Real Techniques brush to go around my face with it. And this is my darker foundation. Like what I consider to be my summer shade. Even though I've been in the house, I ain't really got that tan yet. But honey, if I go outside for a little minute. Okay, so as you can see, I'm not loading on a lot of foundation. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me in the color Cafe, which is 50, and then my Studio Fix by MAC in NC45. So I'm gonna put that up under here, and I put a little bit too much, but we're gonna keep it moving. And then I'm gonna take because the Cafe is a little bit, it has a different undertone, so it comes across more skin-like than the NC45. And I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm gonna just stipple it in, like pat, 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 pat. Because we got how many minutes now? 2 minutes have passed. So 13. Yeah, when I was seeing like 5-minute challenges, I was like, oh my God, I probably will only have foundation on and lip gloss. And because this is a rush, it definitely will be lip gloss instead of lipstick today. I feel like that's the easiest thing to just throw on. So we're going to take some of that concealer and go ahead and pat it on our eyelids. I'm going to blend it over my nose. And I'm not looking for like a super maximum coverage with this quick makeup look at all. Y'all, I know y'all see me looking up I'm in front of my vanity, so I'm sorry for not looking at the camera. So I'm just taking that Cafe and putting it over my forehead, because there is a spot where I sweat. So I just want to make sure that I have that on there. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and set with 30 by by Maybelline Fit Me, the loose finishing powder in the color 30. And I'm just going to take a small beauty blender and set it in. And I'm going to put a little bit on my forehead. And definitely press up against my nose. Like I always sweat like in the creases of my nose for some reason. So we're going to do that. And then I'm going to take some NC45 pressed powder and just put it all over my face. Well, really at the cheeks. I really don't. And go over like where the powder is. And I'll go over the nose and the forehead. So in the places I highlighted, because it's really too light to go over that sandalwood. So we'll put it in places that will normally highlight. And then I'm going to go in with the 7W1 by Este Lauder. Ella! Okay, so I'm going to take my Real Text Neat multi-brush and just put a little bit of that on there to warm up my cheeks and my forehead back up. Ella! Open the door for Miranda. Go open the front door for Miss Miranda. She outside. And then I'll just lightly put powder right there. And then I'm going to go around my nose with the same brush. Okay. So then I'm going to take my blush, because I am a blush girl, and take Serafina by Juvia's Place and put it on my cheeks. And then I'm going to put the Becca Champagne Pop on my cheeks. I had picked up rose gold first. I'm doing a YouTube video. Quick makeup look. Mommy doing a video. What a pup. Ashley? Okay, and I'm just going to put a little bit of highlight up there. Ella got my video. And then I'm going to go, I'm trying to do it in 15 minutes. I'm going to go and put my eyebrow styler by MAC on my eyebrows. Yeah, I can't talk through the brows. Can't talk through the brows. I'll be focused in. But, you know, it's really natural. It's just a little bit darker than what the other one is without the filler. You know our girl moved back to Fort Lauderdale.
Oh yeah, she doing the words.
I see it. For some reason, she keep texting me your appointments.
Really?
Mm-hmm. I got the email the other day. I was like, huh?
Yeah.
I'm thinking about taking that flight because I need to feel.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Fort Lauderdale anyway, go shopping. So.
How far is Fort Lauderdale from Miami?
Oh, it's like an hour. Shane Jesse in full over there. And they want to go to Shane Jesse.
Oh, okay.
So, you know, when they go to my appointment, we're going to go.
I'm just taking some eyebrow gel, going over the eyebrows. I don't think I want to do no eyeshadow, but I'm going to take the Vixen palette anyway and do one color. This is the Vixen palette. It's available at www.thehairvixens.com. The link will be below. So I'm just going to take a tapered brush like this, and I'm going to go in with Tease, which is this color right here, and just press it in. It's like lighter than my skin complexion, but it's enough to give it a little bit of a pop. It ain't gotta be all of it. Let's blend it out. And I'm gonna put some mascara on. I don't even think I'm gonna do lashes today. I'm gonna do top and bottom mascara and spray my face and put on some lip gloss. And what time we at? I got 3 minutes, y'all. We 3 minutes away. Whew. She gonna have to see me style this hair up today on this budget meet. She'll be like, ooh, oh my. I ain't doing no liner. I ain't fooling with that. Yeah, this could be a quick get ready video or makeup look for when you ain't got a lot of time and you just trying to get where you need to go. You want to look a little bit put together. And I'm going to use my Fenty Fussy Gloss Bomb. Put too much. Girl, I'm a glossy gloss girl today. And I'm going to take the Jefree Star and Morphe Set and Refresh and Starberry scent. Yeah, I like this stuff. It smells so good. Smelling. Okay, y'all, and that's it. Honey, I look like I just got a little sun glow on. I ain't put on a ton of foundation, but this is the look. My little curls. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't joined the Vixen Gang already, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button if you like this look. If you didn't, it's okay. Comment below any tips that you have for quick makeup looks. And we got this look done with a minute left. So we got it done in 14 minutes. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.